Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Labasai back again with our next one. And today we got full day. Today we got parts for the Z, parts that I could not put the engine in without doing this first, the clutch line. You'll see that in a second. My brother's car is back and making its first appearance on the channel. And finally, the heater core hose exploded on this, so we'll be fixing this in a minute. We got a lot of work to do. Come on. Disrespect. Day me street jet. I'll get them to you in a minute. Today we got it's my first fancy shift now. Is that a Tome dot? Wow. My first real shift now. Why am I so excited? There she is. I'll just sit that back in there. Was not disappointed by the first box. Next we got the collar for the shifter. We got gold shifter bushings, just legitimately just because they're gold. And clutch line. So I'm actually gonna check this right now to make sure this is gonna work with what I have. Is that it? That's all I got? Thought I got more stuff. All right, anyway, let's go ahead and crack this open. Hey, it comes with instructions. Okay. I read the instructions for us, so you guys don't have to. But, long story short, this is literally gonna go from like here over to the slave on the transmission. So, not sure what I'm doing, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so this threads into here. Okay, that's cool. Set this here for now. Let's go check it on the slave. So this would sit like this. Really? That's gonna make it interesting. Alright, well, we'll see when we get there. Their own method of, you know, how they route the line, but basically the line's gonna sit. So basically the line's gonna sit right here. It's gonna run under brake master. Come over here, and then it's gonna follow these T of lines here in this bracket all the way through there. And then I have it going down this way through the original slave hole, and then it's gonna go straight back. But I have it up there so it's not sitting on the ground. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a drill bit and I'm gonna drill these holes out so this line will fit inside of there, so everything looks all nice and neat. So that's the brake line situated. So those gold pieces, you're never gonna see them. You can see them now, but it's the last time. They go right in between the bushing and they keep everything together so you could shift. Actually, 1 second. It worked. I can't wait, bro. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Reverse. Everything's there, so. Should not feel good though. Just found this on the floor and I stepped on it. Oh well. Alright, so Casey just hit me up. Fortunately for me, my buddy has a shop right up the street and he said it's okay for me to come by for me to go ahead and put the part in. So we're gonna go ahead and head over there and so we're down here at Casey's and I just got started doing this and the plot thickens. So, not only is this broken, but this, okay, let's start with this. This hose, this one right here, is supposed to be here. But there's, I don't know if you can see it, but more focus. Focus, yeah, there's a black plastic piece in there that's supposed to be attached to that. And it broke off through the heat. So now, I had him order me this hose. It's the right hose, but you see my dilemma. So now I gotta see if I can find that part somewhere here in town. Hopefully I can. You know, it's Wednesday afternoon, so somebody somewhere gotta have it. And like a wild stroke of, or what's the saying? Like a wild turn of events. Like Volkswagen knew this thing was gonna break, so they make a hose just slightly big enough to slip onto. Where's the damn? Where is it? It's this one. There we go. Yeah, Volkswagen makes a hose that slides right onto that piece that broke off. And ironically, there's a lip on there, so you could have put a hose clamp. And long story short, I'm gonna button this up and then we'll be done. Oh man, this is sick, bro. Peep the headliner, bro. Hey, we got my homeboy Chris, aka Pebbles, for the channel. You know, he got a Sentra. Oh man, this shit's nice though.
It's coming along together. I got coral white paint coming for it. Got the interior done. It's got a front wheel drive SR20.
SR20, he says.
SR20.
A real SR20. Boy, this is what I want for my Z right here. Man. I'm a person that can really appreciate like any car. And I can really appreciate this one. An SR20 and this little thing. How much does it weigh, you know?
I don't know. We can look at the sticker.
Yeah.
You can see it right
Ah,
here.
it's this one.
It's around
34?
Yeah, 3,400 pounds. See right here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's not bad. And it's manual.
It's a project.
You did a good job, bro. The interior looks awesome.
Got a custom 3D printed shift knob.
Really? I just bought a Tomei shift knob for the Z, actually.
Really?
Yeah. Hey, a dope job, bro.
Thank you. I'm gonna try to start doing something with interior work, so.
Hey, well, I got a job for you. I need the interior on that car inside the bay in there to get done.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
We'll go to the fabric store and pick out something. I really gotta show you the 240.
Absolutely, bro.
It's all black. Momo racing seat, Momo steering wheel.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's clean.
I can't wait to see it,
I
bro.
have a brand new carpet in it, jet black carpet. It's got the headliner looks exactly like that one, but it's just jet black.
Okay.
Yeah,
bro,
it's clean.
hey, I miss seeing it, bro. I miss seeing everybody, bro. Everybody always had some kind of cool project going on. Bro, you been in Century Z lately?
No, I haven't.
Bro, it feels so good since you like got everything dialed in with the new injectors and all that stuff, bro.
Yeah. That's what Blake was saying, that it had an injector problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's clean.
after he deal with interiors, boy, you about to have a bunch of work. I don't like showing y'all the headliner, but
oh yeah, I can fix it.
yeah.
Oh yeah, we can do something custom or we can do something original. So
all right, I'm gonna talk to my girl and see what she want to do.
Yo, the diamond fabric, that one.
Yeah, yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. Yo, we'll go pick something out. But I mean, we're like in between if we want to like keep the car or sell it, or what we want to do. But I don't know. Throw it down in the comments. Should I keep it or should I sell it? Is it time to move on or is it time to make it better? But
maybe both.
Yeah, maybe both, right? But yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and get back to this and see if I figure out any of this out. But yeah. Now you guys met Pebbles. You wanna post your Instagram?
Oh yeah, you can find me. We know my own Instagram.
Okay. Pause.
You can give me at C_stone_, and you can see all kinds of pictures of the 200 and the 240.
Yeah, this man has a couple of builds going on, and he's always got something going on.
Got a hard body build coming the way too soon, so. Oh, yeah.
I have to buy that off of you before you start.
There's no way.
Come on!
There's no way. I mean, I've had that car since high school.
Oh,
I think
man.
it's a get-down machine.
I've been dying for a hard body for a minute. Okay, fine.
Oh, yeah.
At least I get to see it.
Okay.
All right, back to work. Cleaned up. Jet is working again. Everything's good in the hood. You know, clutch line worked out for that. I'm actually going to do like a how-to video on how to install it. So if you need to know how to install it, look out for that. And I want to talk to you guys real quick about this car. This is a 2008 Chevy Impala car. I need something to drive, so I bought this for my brother. So welcome the car to the channel. It has 115,000 miles, so it's pretty low for the year mileage it is. Has auto start, keyless entry, all that other good stuff. And it's just a really good all around good car. AC work, everything's been done on it. Cause this is ridiculous. I got so much plans that I want to share with you guys, and I can't because we lacking. You feel me? So we picked this up off my brother. Thank you, Brian, for giving me such a good deal. By the way, unfortunately, we can't find anyone to help us with the transplant, but he is in need of he has an O blood type, so it's kind of difficult, I think that makes it kind of difficult for him to find a donor. But if you can help, or if you know someone that can help, please go ahead and reach out to us. This is our information. But back to the car content. So the idea is gonna be for me, I kind of have a budget set out on what I have left to do for this. So I have everything I need for this, but I don't have alternator. I don't have a starter and I don't have an alternator. So I need to go ahead and find those two things, as well as the other half of my drive shaft, because Blake needed it for his car. So I need to find a drive shaft as well. So I need those three things before I can even drive the car. But that's not gonna stop me from getting it started. So I think at this point, I'm gonna make that video for you guys. Sorry. I'm gonna make that video for you guys, that clutch line video. It's gonna be maybe like 2 minutes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and see if I could get the engine hoist back over here, marry the transmission to the engine, and then stab it in there. Anyway, we can call it here. Thank you to everybody. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching the video. It means a lot for me to have people at this end of the video, you know. It's crazy, but thank you. You know, if you made it this far, go ahead and comment "let's go" for me, just like my hand says. Oh, I'm getting in the light in case no one ever seen it. Go ahead and comment "let's go" in the comments for me. I want to see if I got 40 videos or 40 views, I need 40 people saying "let's go" in the comments, and I need 40 likes on the thumbs up button. So go ahead and smash that like button like it did something to you. Hit subscribe. Make sure you press the bell next to subscribe so you don't miss so you get my notifications when I put my videos out. And stay tuned because things just getting ramped up. The car is almost done. The engine's going in here this week. I promise you that it is going in. We got another car on the channel, And there might be something that I'm not telling you guys is going on with this, but that's the next time.